Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to fix Ingress time error on Instagram, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to fix Ingress time error on Instagram. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this issue. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on the profile icon in the right bottom. Now click on three lines at top right. Click on settings. Here you have to choose help. Click on report a problem. Again click report a problem. Here you can describe your problem. You have to write I am having issues with the ingress timeout error on my Instagram account. Please help me to fix this issue. You can also attach a screenshot here. Now click on next at top right and choose send report option and click on close. Your issue will be resolved within few days. This is the only way to fix this issue. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.